Here we go. Silver been spiking this week. We got lots of coins and silver. This is Dean with I Buy Cool Stuff. We are at the Taylortown Trade Center indoor garage sale for February 2025. So this is an indoor sale. We got Legos, and these are all transient dealers that come and set up. So we'll take a look and see if we have anything anybody wants to see. I have a table. So I bought stuff early this morning. I came in and bought stuff. I'll show you what I bought later on. Bunch of Lego peoples. There's a good use for a treadle sewing machine, and then put an ironing board on top of it. That's a great idea. Electronics and such. So there are people that collect everything you could imagine. Hot Wheels cars. These ones are $1 to $5, it looks like, for these. Got prices on the bottoms of all of them. Oh, I like the little built model ship. Get right in there. That's really cool. USS and Melvin. That's some Red Wings players. Red Wings stuff. Hey, hey. Go from Red Wings stuff to Hummels.
Well, they're not real.
Oh, they're not Hummel brand.
I think they're knockoffs. Yes, it's just
Japan is
they're
knockoff.
kind of cute.
Yeah, they're cute.
Cute and cheap.
Cute teak, eh?
Cheap. That's it. Gotta go.
You want to collect Hummels without paying a price for Hummels, that's the way to get them.
Thank you. Thank you.
So you don't know what you're going to find. Everybody has a mishmash. More Drop Forging, that is the company that made all of the wrenches and such for the Ford company. Ford Model A was More Drop Forging. Lots of cool stuff. Some pocket watches.
The gate's not open. You got people.
What's the best pocket watch you got here, Marty?
They're just $35.
$35 a piece.
Yeah. No, not all of them. But you said the best. That's all like.
That's the best one you got?
One of the best, yeah.
How many jewels is that one?
Here's one that says 21. It works and everything, but the hand come off.
Nobody wants
21 jewels.
21 jewel.
21 jewels, and how much is that one?
$35.
Let me see that one. 21 jewels. I'm gonna hit pause and take a look at this one. All right, neat watches. 4 badges and pins. Some fishing lures and stuff. He's got a couple Texas wear bowls. I love Texas wear, but I got enough.
They want the new stuff. I had the new stuff. You don't know what. You have to get. You have to.
Bunch of helmets. Costume jewelry. I like that. I like the antique costume jewelry. I made some good buys early when we first opened.
Yeah.
More coins.
Yeah, I know some of them are still
Silver
there.
dollars.
Mason,
Oh yeah, Jimmy. Yeah, I think Jimmy is there.
Nice Athearn train engines. These are European, I think. What were you getting on the train cars and stuff?
This one 50 each.
50?
Yeah. This
Okay.
one 20. And this set is 60.
Why are these ones 50? Just asking.
This is more expensive trains. This one right here.
And these ones are 20.
Yeah.
So that's somebody that has no clue, because the Athearn cars are all engines, are all good engines. So lots of jewelry stuff because it's indoors in wintertime and the women like to come. Look at the nice Christmas stuff. Christmas stuff always catches my eye. Look at the little bear. I love the little bear. I have some like this. I like them with the little tinsel inside. I love vintage Christmas tree ornaments, decoration. So, but at a garage sale, flea market, whatever you want to call it, you don't know what you'll see. There's somebody's family. You don't know what you will find.
I can't let you keep the 5.
Old Coke tin,
Just so
crate.
you know, right? Okay.
It's busted up a little bit. Some cobalt blue, flow blue. Nice
I'm
mark.
tired of looking at the ones I have. I have the same one.
I like the lamp, magnifying glass.
Yeah.
Crossman BB gun. Oh, we got ammo. 500 rounds of 5.56, 223, 22s. Not sure what them are. They're real. Ammo. Magazines. Scope. Kind of a cool scope. Somebody made loads to put in their Lionel cars. Kind of like that. I wonder if Fred the Amish guy like that. Big Bend.
All right, let's go. Thanks a lot. Come on, guys.
License plates. Back in Missouri, 42. Michigan, 59, 60, 62. This guy always brings nice stuff. Advertising. Gotta love. Too bad all this stuff is repopped. But it allows people to have it. Gotta be able to buy this stuff. I really like them. Them are kind of cool. Star Wars. Those look older MPC. So, anyhow, get out there and find some stuff. Go hit a sale. Buy some stuff. Do something with the family here with the wife and kid and stuff. And like, comment, subscribe, and like I always say, God bless you. God bless America.